Good morning, everyone. Mike again with TekDMC, coming to you from the blustery Midwest where there's plenty of snow on the ground, but it's only 12 degrees. But that leads me to this video and why the TekDMC frameless library should be a front-of-the-line purchase for you this year. With continued pandemic and social distancing, showroom closures, and increased difficulty physically getting in front of customers, with weather delays, with everything that happens in life, what better reasons do we need but to take your sales force online and across the country via the internet? TekDMC offers the most robust frameless cabinet vision and Allmoxy libraries, both of which are plug and play, available utilizing 9 different construction methods with full and seamless integration from Allmoxy to cabinet vision to previously integrated machinery. Our current library includes over 600 customizable and fully engineered cabinets with robust costing and weight calculations, providing the most immediate and accurate information for both you and the customer. Fully customizable attributes allow the manufacturer or dealer to turn on and off whatever they want to offer, but yet still allowing the customer the ability to customize any cabinetry while eliminating the need for re-engineering special requests in cabinet vision. So with all that being said, let's dive back into a brief review of shortcut presets and then deeper into walls and upper cabinets. So as you remember from a previous episode, these shortcut presets allow you to set the mood for the entire order as far as materials allowed, hinging, drawer slides, toe reliefs, any of that can all be set up here as a master, and then any cabinets added afterwards will take on these attributes. So you can choose what construction method, what toe, how deep and how high, what kind of drawer box, and or rollout. You can choose if your walls have top scribes or if they have a bottom light rail. The adjustable shelf holes, you can choose whether or not on a high-end job or a glass doored where you just want 1 or 2 adjustable shelf holes, or in multifamily projects where you want the whole opening to be drilled for adjustable shelves. Do you stain or finish your cabinetry? What material is your cabinet box made of? And the edge band color? And what type of back do you use to build your cabinets? Is it 1/4, 3/4? Do you use nailers? Do you have no back at all? And then as far as your finished end material, what way is the grain direction going and what material do you use? All of your doors and drawer fronts, you can choose what type of door and drawer you want, and then also the material it's made out of. Once again, if you have hardwood doors and are doing any panel processing, you can choose the profile or allow your customers to choose the profiles. You can choose whether or not the manufacturer supplies the hardware or the customer supplies the hardware. What type of hinging, Seleche, Bloom, Gras, doors and drawer knobs and pulls. You can choose this to offer to your customers for weighting and costing purposes, but we have yet to develop the formulas as far as placement on the doors. What type of adjustable shelf pins do you use? Your reveals for all of the cabinets. And then your default heights and depths for those cabinets and whether or not you offer this assembled or RTA. Now let's dive into those wall cabinets. Now the wall cabinets are a pretty simple library. Most wall cabinets are just going to be the box with the door with shelves or dividers behind it. As far as microwave cabinets, we have doubled shelves to support the weight of the microwave. Corner cabinets with adjustable shelves, 45s and 90s. Blind corners, do you build with an overlaid panel in the blind or an inset panel in the blind? And then behind those, adjustable shelves. And flip up or swing up doors. I'm currently developing this library and should be done within the week, if not probably by the end of February. All of this should be done. So coming soon, but will be available. And then once again, fillers and end panels. So once again, remember, this is only phase 1 of TekDMC's offering, and these are all frameless libraries. But we do have plans next to be able to develop a closet library which contains both finished cabinets, full cabinets, and also component closet parts. After that, we're looking to get into face frame library, garage cabinets, laundry room cabinets, bedroom cabinets, craft room cabinets, mudroom cabinets, office furniture, and even outdoor furniture are all on the horizon. So that's all the time I have today. But remember to stay tuned to our YouTube channel and all of our social media sites so that way you can see how we're developing and what we're going to be releasing next. So thank you very much for myself and the rest of the TekDMC family here in Huntertown, Indiana. We look forward to meeting you and talking to you, and we look forward to what 2021 has yet to bring to all of us and our companies. Take care.